Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Shrimp Cajun Seasoning blend is tasty, versatile, mix of common spices you probably already have on hand. This is great on meats, pasta, veggies, and more. Here are the ingredients. 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2.5 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 and 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 and 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme, half teaspoon red pepper flakes. This is optional for your chili preference. And the things we will need an empty jar, our flannel. We will need something long like this. In our empty container, we'll put the flannel. We will add the salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, onion powder, cayenne pepper, oregano, thyme, and red pepper flakes. Then we will mix it till it fills the container. We will close the container and we'll shake it to evenly blend our ingredients. As we store in an airtight container, we can use it immediately or we can also just store it for up to 1 year. That's it. This is our delicious Cajun seasoning. Thank you for watching. For any comments or suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to respond. Again, stay safe. I appreciate you. Bye!